In this video, we take the brand new iKamper Skycamp DLX on an epic overland adventure down to Oregon and back up to Washington.
Stop it, we're not saying that on camera.
Our friends at iKamper reached out to us to demo their brand new Skycamp DLX rooftop tent for the Toyota Sequoia, and the timing of this has been perfect because in 2 days we're headed out to Oregon for Overland Expo PNW. And what better way to show up to Overland Expo than with a brand new rooftop tent? That also means we're gonna try and hit up some campsites after the expo, so strap in because this is gonna be a wild ride. That looks amazing. Now that we got the tent on the rig, let's see how she drives and if the gas mileage is affected at all in any way. On the way here, we got 12 miles per gallon. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of stop and go. Let's see if the tent on top, which I don't think it's gonna really make that big of a difference, will affect our MPGs in any way, shape, or form. So I'm home now. You can see I got a low fuel level sign because I wanted to use the same tank of gas to get home, but we are at 12.0, it's kind of hard to see, 12 miles per gallon. Driving the car from iKamper to my home, I had no change in gas mileage. After we made it home, it was time to pack up the rig and head to Bend, Oregon for Overland Expo PNW and the start of our epic overland adventure with our brand new rooftop tent. We made it to Overland Expo, 5.5 hours of driving later. We're here, and now it's time for us to head to iKamper to find out everything we can about the Skycamp DLX.
Hi guys, my name is Maggie. I'm with iKamper. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough and talk about the new things we started to add to our DLX models. This right here is the DLX Mini. It's very similar to the Skycamp Mini. It opens and closes, locks, mounts, and has a lot of the same benefits and features of the original Skycamp 3.0 series. What we did is we just added some new and improved benefits. If you look inside the tent, it automatically now comes with our inflated air mattress instead of the original foam stock mattress. Underneath the air mattress, if you can get a peek in there, you can see we have now upgraded to cork flooring, meaning that it will hold a lot better insulation, keeping you warmer at night, and it will help with condensation, meaning you won't collect pooling of condensation down below where you sleep. The next big benefit is the exterior and interior lighting.
Wow.
It has 3 warmth settings. We have a cool white, warm, mid-tone amber, and a middle ground between the two. Then there's this matching exterior light on the interior, so you can be lit inside and outside. And then the last benefit you will see on the back of the shell is the badge saying Skycamp DLX.
DLX, is it safe to assume it's deluxe?
Deluxe.
Deluxe. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't want to assume, but all the previous Skycamp annexes or rooms can fit on this?
Awnings, annexes, insulation tents, HC steps, so anything that you could fit onto the normal Skycamp 3.0 series, you can add on. Shares all the same footprint, same specs, same everything that you would come to expect from the 3.0 series. It's just now you get these cool benefits, the mattress, the cork flooring, and the lighting.
Yeah, and the hard shell is ABS plastic, FRP?
FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic.
And then what's the weight?
Full size is 165.
165.
Okay, 125 and 165.
Yeah. The nice thing also about the Mini is that for like a 4Runner where you have a full cab length rack, you can bump the tent all the way to the back or all the way to the front, meaning that you still have a lot of rack room left over.
And the full size can sleep how many comfortably?
4 people.
The Mini?
2 people.
Awesome, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Where can people find you guys?
We are our Kent showroom, Kent, Washington. You can come in person and see all of the tents in person, climb inside, ask questions. We also have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the iKamper Nation app.
All right, now let's go use the tent. Let's go use the tent now. That's it for the Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. Emily and I made out like bandits. We got a winch, we got a shelf system, we got a trasheroo for our molly panel, we got all kinds of stuff. Our adventures don't end here. We're literally about to hop in the 2nd gen Sequoia, head out to Bend, Oregon, camp for 4 or 5 days, and then head home.
Found the most amazing spot by the river. Oh my god. All to ourselves. Mike's gonna level out the car. So we're gonna have a good night's rest. Oh, yep.
We are all set up. The Sequoia is going to have its inaugural Skycamp camp in the DLX tonight. I don't know if we're going to have time to do a full review of the tent tonight because the sun is setting pretty fast. But I will say this, it sure looks at home in nature. Wow. We haven't even opened it up. This is the situation. We got scuttle, fire to keep the bugs out. We got thermocells, no mosquitoes. We got our iKamper kitchen hanging over there off the awning. We got a stream, we got dogs, we got everything you could imagine. We even have some bear scat. So it's gonna be an interesting night for sure. Dang, have you been lifting weights? And we're deployed, fully deployed.
Is this the longest it'll go? Easy.
The Skycamp DLX comes with 2 different sized hybrid foam and air mattresses, a bigger one and a smaller one, which allows you to have different sleep configurations to suit your needs. And I can honestly say that fully inflated, these mattresses are a dream to sleep on. I can sleep on my side and I don't hit the bottom. And combined with the blackout material of the rooftop tent, I slept so deep in that thing. My wife and I actually slept in until I think 9 a.m. while camping. That's unreal.
Oh, yes, come on. I'm gonna go sit on it. Oh shit, I think it'll work.
Yep. We were able to use the latches on the top, lock it down with the key. That's 2 mattresses, 2 down comforters, shout out to Aeronaut, 3 dog down comforters. They're mini, they're micro, they're outdoor down comforters. It's not like a 600 fill Egyptian cotton, but for us to have all that up there and literally just close it in one fell swoop is insane. It would take us like 15-20 minutes to break down our ground tent. Any other tent that wouldn't allow all that bedding, right babe?
Yeah.
We did it in 3 minutes.
It's incredible.
All right, now there's more we gotta do. We're gonna hit the road. This spot's a great spot, it's beautiful, but it's getting really hot and it's very dusty. I mean, we're covered in dusty. So we're gonna try and move somewhere a little bit more north. Hopefully we can find something a bit more rocky or foresty and less dusty. That's motor, baby. What are you doing downloading apps right now? We're climbing up to 5,000 feet on an abandoned mountain road.
VRPO.
And you're downloading an app?
Emergency.
What is that?
We're gonna try and find
There's
a
literally
place.
1 tire mark up this.
Yeah. Hopefully we can find something.
All right, I've never been on this road before. We don't know where we're going, but we are in 4 high and air down to some mystery PSI. It's time for us to move, baby.
It's way softer.
Way softer.
I feel Feels good.
It was very good. Wow, we don't feel shit. We drove up a hill for, it seemed to be like 45 minutes to an hour, and we made it to 6,400 feet elevation. And then, the best part about it is the view of Oregon. Look at that view. Holy cow. I think we're on the top of Bend here. This area is insane because there's a lot of downed forest, and so we found a lot of like primitive campsites, but honestly they're like covered in burnt trees. It just seemed too primitive and not really worth our time. So our mission after this is to find somewhere to camp, and now we have to get back down from the 6,400 foot, 6,500 feet elevation. But my God, if there's ever a reason to go overlanding in a second gen Sequoia, this is it. This is why you overland the PNW. Holy shnikes. This is insane. And you know what's even crazier, honey? That's Bend.
Oh, is it?
That's Bend.
Oh shit, so is this the Deschutes?
This is the Deschutes Forest. I don't know what mountain that is, and there's a mountain over there. Oh, I think we're by the Three Sisters. There's 3 mountains. Yeah, we're seeing the Three Sisters right now. Oh my God, during golden hour. Unreal.
Can we do a selfie video?
Okay, we're gonna do a selfie video. Here, how about we get in the selfie video? Wow, here.
Mountain in the back.
Oh my gosh, you want us to turn around? Oh my gosh. That is insane. This is a Butte.
A Butte? Oh.
But this, I guess you could say it's a Vista. Wow, wow. Bear Wallow Butte. Just left Bend, Oregon, and we made it to a new spot here in Washington. Now, I'm not gonna blow up the spot, but it is absolutely incredible here. I cannot believe the view we are in. This is just outstanding. If you know the area, you know the area. I'm not gonna say where it is. There's some small fish in the stream here. There's a nice little pool there with hot springs. We are actually gonna call it a night here. The Skycamp DLX has been the best fucking rooftop tent we've ever had. I'm gonna be honest with you here. I've had like 2 or 3 rooftop tents in my life. Actually, I've had 3 or 4. And this thing has been the best. It's the lightest weight I've ever had. It's the biggest I've ever had. It has 1 mile per gallon difference on the MPG on the highway. You can't even hear wind noise. It fits the family perfectly. It has been an absolutely incredible rooftop tent. I wish there was a little bit more storage in it, but like, whatever, man. We'll just make do. The rig looks fantastic out here in Washington. Probably gonna hang out for the rest of the night, feed the dogs, enjoy the view, and call it. But my God, look at how great the rig looks against that background. That is just incredible. What a spot. I can honestly say the second gen Sequoia has done well through all this stuff. It does need a rear locker. It does need a re-gear, especially for highway long driving or even like going up inclines. It's a lot of weight. But overall, car did good. We averaged between 11 and 13 miles per gallon. We're gonna wrap the video here. We'll leave you with some epic B-roll of us ending our night here in this amazing spot. Thank you guys so much for watching. We make these videos for you, so if you love what we're doing on the Sequoia and you wanna see more in the Cool Guy Club, drop us a comment and let us know. And we are definitely gonna bring more to you because summer is just starting here in Washington. And with spots and views like this, it's gonna be hard not to wanna go out every day. I might even come back.